Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Emerson's Adventures. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. And now I'll tell you a little bit about what I have here. For my centerpiece, I have added a beautiful flower in the center in the clear vase. Around it, I have added the two gold vases. Beneath it, I have the two pears with the fallen golden leaf. On each side, I have two candle holders. Now I'll tell you a little bit about my place setting here. I have a martini glass and a water glass. The gold placemat and the black table runner. Now for my place setting, I have the clear charger plate with the black solid plate and the gold napkin. Inside of the dinner plate, this is my place setting here. I do have the gold silverware with the gold ball inside of the black bowl with the white and gold plate from the Property Brothers, and the black plate it's sitting on is from Rochelle. And then I have, of course, the clear Georgia plate from Hobby Lobby. And as you all can see, I have went ahead and mixed the metals, because you can see the silver here and the silver over on the sofa table. I want to thank the Grace Life Home DIY Decor and more, and Emerson's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape on Tuesday. You all make sure you go over and check out the ladies' channel and all of the creators who are participating in Tablescape Tuesday. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this Tablescape Tuesday. Without you, I could not do this. I say thank you. I will be leaving Anna and Courtney's information in my description box. You all make sure, again, that you stop by and see their tablescapes for this Tuesday and all of the creators who are participating in Tablescape on Tuesday. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up on your way out.